Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Mars Gaming headphones and I'm going to tell you how can you easily pair them with your PC. So at first you have to click on this Windows logo at the bottom. Here, click settings. Now tap Bluetooth and devices here and here at device. Now you have to click on Bluetooth. And now you have to turn on your headphones using this button over here. And it will automatically go into pairing mode if you are disconnected from any or from other devices. Now let's wait until our headphones appear. I will click show all devices to make sure. As you can see, MHWECO, we have to click on it. And now we are done. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.